Imagine a skyscraper. What keeps it standing tall? The framework, right? Now think of your body as that skyscraper and your skeletal system as its framework. Composed of bones, joints, and connective tissues, the skeletal system serves multiple roles. It provides structure and support, facilitates movement, produces blood cells, and stores essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So, just like a skyscraper, your body relies on a solid framework, your skeletal system, to stand tall and function efficiently. Now, let's talk about what enables you to move, maintain posture, produce heat, and protect your organs. It's your muscular system. This system is composed of 3 types of muscles: skeletal, which are voluntary and help you move; smooth, which are involuntary and found in your organs; and cardiac, which power your heart. At the heart of these muscles are components called muscle fibers, sarcomeres, and motor units. So, your muscular system is like your body's engine, powering every move you make. What's that sound you hear when you place your hand over your heart? It's the rhythm of life, powered by the cardiovascular system. This intricate network, comprised of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, is the driving force behind every beat of your heart. Each component plays a vital role. The heart, a muscular pump, tirelessly works to circulate blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Blood vessels like arteries, veins, and capillaries are the highways that allow blood to travel, and blood, it's the vehicle carrying the passengers, nutrients, gases, and waste products. But the cardiovascular system does more than just transport. It maintains a delicate balance, a state of homeostasis, ensuring that your body functions optimally. So, your cardiovascular system is essentially your body's transportation system, delivering what's needed where it's needed. Breathing, it's something you do without even thinking, but have you ever wondered how it works? Let's take a closer look at the respiratory system, the star of this fantastic physiological show. This system is composed of a few key players, including the lungs, trachea, and bronchi. These organs work in harmony to ensure your body gets the oxygen it needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide it doesn't. Here's the main event. You take in oxygen, and it travels down your trachea, splitting into the bronchi before reaching your lungs. Once in the lungs, oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide, which you then breathe out. This gas exchange is the primary function of the respiratory system. But that's not all. Your respiratory system also helps regulate your body's pH, keeping everything balanced. And let's not forget vocalization. Those beautiful sounds you produce when you speak or sing? Yes, that's your respiratory system at work too. So every breath you take is a testament to the amazing work of your respiratory system. From that delicious pizza to the apple you ate for dessert, how does your body transform food into energy? That's the job of your digestive system. Your digestive system is a marvel of nature, a complex network of organs that begins with your mouth and ends with your large intestine. As you bite into your food, enzymes in your saliva start breaking it down, ready for the next stage of digestion in your stomach. Here, powerful acids and more enzymes join the fray, turning your meal into a soupy mix called chyme. This chyme then travels into your small intestine, where it's broken down even further. Nutrients are absorbed through tiny finger-like projections called villi and sent into your bloodstream. The remaining undigested food is passed into your large intestine, where water is absorbed and the rest is prepared for elimination. So next time you enjoy a meal, remember the incredible journey it goes on thanks to your digestive system. Ever wondered how you can react to things around you in a fraction of a second? That's your nervous system at work. This system is split into 2 main parts: the central nervous system, which includes your brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, composed of nerves. Neurons, the system's basic units, play a crucial role in transmitting signals. The nervous system performs key functions like receiving sensory input, integrating it, and generating motor output. So, your nervous system is like your body's super-fast communication network, connecting everything together. How does your body regulate growth, metabolism, and stress response? The endocrine system has the answer. Comprised of glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal, this system plays a pivotal role in our bodies. Hormones, the system's chemical messengers, travel through the bloodstream, carrying instructions from these glands to cells throughout the body. These hormones guide processes like growth, metabolism, and how your body responds to stress. So, the endocrine system is like your body's control center, managing key functions and maintaining balance.